Ungqongqoshe uqinisekisile ukuthi iVAT angeke isenyuka. Uthi lesi sinqumo abasithathile sisho ngokusobala ukuthi benguhulumeni bazibophezele ukubeka phambili okufunwa abantu kanye namaqembu ombusazwe ePhalamende.
There's clarity now that will remain at 15%. The decision reflects our commitment to listen to South Africans and to all the political parties represented in this house.
Ukungenyuswa kweVAT kusho ukuthi angeke kube bikho ukukhula komnotho. Yehlukene imbono kumaqembu ombusazwe ngesabelo mali yesisha.
From the ACDP's perspective, we're not part of the GNU, and we are concerned about the drop in economic growth. 0.5%, that is significant. That means less jobs, less revenue.
What is good about this budget is that the frontline social services were maintained. We were champions in terms of ensuring that education, teachers are employed.
Imali yentela yotshwala ayiguqukanga kuleyo yayimenyezelwe ngoNdasa kanjalo nezibonelelo zikahulumeni. Imali yesibonelelo sabangasebenzi izoqhubeka kuze kube unyaka u2026. Senyukile isabelo mali esabelwe umnyango wezempilo nowezemfundo.
For April 2025, the old age grant increases remains as we announced by 130 rand, split into 220 and 10. Where, as the original stated, the SRD grant, the COVID SRD grant due of distress will be extended by up to March 2026. We need to explain this. Does it mean it's not going to be extended beyond March 2026? The answer is no.
Yehlisiwe imali eyabelwe umbutho wezokuvikela iSANDF. Kanti intela yowoyela izokwenyuka ngo15 cents ilitha kusukela zizine kuNhlangulana. Umgcini mafa wabele ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo olizayo imali engu 1.4 billion amarandi.